Guys, uyibonile le ntombazane le bathi Navana or Nivana uthi Bongokhoza umharasile sexual umthinte in a way angi-understand. Then the same girl ade accuser ngo Nkosi Mthembu with the same thing. Uyaphinda abuya futhi ngoBongokhoza. No, uthanda attention lo mntana lo man. Uthanda attention lo mntana lo. Uthanda izinto. Why are influencers are always dragging South African men? Angaze mina ngibone i-influencer ikhuluma so kundoda eNigeria. It's always these South African girls who are busy dragging other men down, South African men down. If bokundoda omlungu bengaza yiso loyo nto. Ngibona lomlungu nothanda attention. Ngibone ngivideo yakhe athi men are looking at my bums. So now when I was accused of all those things. So guys, yeah, don't attention. Ugqoka into etight lapha nesiveza ibuni lapho uthi amadoda angabheki ibuni zakhe. Uyigqokelele lezi zinto lezi ifa afuna amadoda abheke ibheki ibuni zakhe. Why amantombazana soma hayi man. Why so bangafuna uact akaphuma ku-industry man hayi man akahambe kule industry man. Yabo manje umosha igama labantu manje. Yabona ama-influencers la Kenya man. Awuphuma ama-influencers kule industry man. Awuphuma ama-influencers guys. Awuphume. Njalo nje ama-influencer hleze afuna attention. Adesperate for ama-likes nama-shares. Yazi lento ye-monetization imoshile le industry manje. Sokugcwele i-coverage manje ku-social media manje. Kugcwele i-coverage abantu baveza ama-kuku print. Wonke umuntu is naked on social media guys. Ngiyakhala kule nto le. Mina ngithathani bosokusoma mina social media. Why kuso? Why lo muntu bazana kusoma guys angeke. Hayi intombazane le ngeke uwine mina ngihamba noKhoza mina ngeke uwine intombazane ngeke uwine Clever ngeke uwine cathi ubani wena mina ngihamba noKhoza mina ngihamba noBongokhoza ngiyakusupport out yami ngiyakusupport ngibona istatement sakho la ngiyakusupport women bathanda ukuzona ama-victim women bathanda ukuzona ama-victim unokubona bajola amadoda anemali atrabhayo bese bangasayitholi le mali tholi amadoda lawo sawathola lamanye abantu who are better than them, better looking abapaka ungidlula bona sebazothi khana ba-expose ukuthi hayi le ndoda was abused to me ngelikathi udla imali yakhe lawo ama-Ferrari akhe nama-Lamborghini nama-Porsche wayebongasiso zonke le nto lezi hayi amantombazane ethanda attention mina hayi amantombazane ethanda attention abageli mamanje ya guys mina ngibonye ngishade mina labotshira bamanje abanamakuku tight awaseko tight amakuku amantombazane manje awaseko tight ama-tight yile nto abagqokayo kuphela yizinto ezi-tight kodwa yona ikho tight amantombazane ba-inspire la manto they aspired they don't inspire they expire these girls they don't inspire they expire kahle la mantombazane wayeso madoda hayi they date abusive men abanemali then babuye kithi seyiphelile lento yabo le baseyiphelile bangasekho tight bayinika bomasaka abafana nathi bayi-tight bayinika amadoda aba-rich abanamaphipha amancane nama-Nigerian nama-maphipha amakhulu baseyingekho tight bayinika thina amasaka bafuna i-marriage kithi esingenamali sesi-under pressure manje ukuthi kumele sibashade la mantombazane lawo why bangabashadi ama-blessers lawo babhizi batshola namashoda ashade aba-home wreckers mangidina kabi le mantombazane la yazi ngishaya le video ngisha nge-enga khathele yazi intombazane le iyafala la amantombazane okule industry thanda attention man hayi lo muntu afala Saint Butch intombazane she's the same as Saint Butch akaphume le industry man mafuna ukuba kule industry man umosha igama labantu man hayi akwazi uku-actor umntwana she's a bad actress umntwana lo she's a bad actress umntwana lo bad actress akana ngishiya award eyi-1 to prove ukuthi uNtswembu akana ngishiya award usukela an award winning actor like Bongokhoza usitshwala kabi mina ngisupporta wena Bongokhoza I believe you out here I've met you face to face you're a good guy you will never do such a thing ngeke phela hayi umosha reputation why la mantombazane lawa afuna ukumosha amadoda at their peak yabona he is at his peak uBongokhoza manje kodwa noWise Mencube naye bamenze so they did the same to Wise Mencube hayi amantombazane why bahlezi bafuna ukuthi destroy la mantombazane man influencers are trying to destroy us men Never discover my Nigeria, but discover my South African men all the time. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. We are growing now. We're going to 700 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. It means a lot to me. Support means a lot to me. Keep watching. More topics are coming.